I'm doing my hair today. I use all of this, which is Feria number C74, copper. What is it? Copper Crave. Terrible name, by the way, just awful. And it comes with a 20 volume developer. Instructions and gloves, but I like to use my own. Hair color, shampoo, conditioner, but I use a little bit of that with the mixture, and a booster, a copper booster, which is red. I don't use all of it. I use like a half of it, and I save it because next time when it starts fading a little bit, I'll mix this with my hair conditioner and leave it in there for a little bit, and it'll just brighten up the hair in between my weights. Blonde, light golden brown number 54, and the reason why I mix these together, and yes, you can mix brands together because the brands don't know each other. They're coming from labs. They don't know each other. It's just that this one's by L'Oreal and this one's by Revlon, so the colors and ingredients are basically the same thing. And I don't use all of this. What I use, and this comes with this and a little package of instructions and this and a little thing of conditioner. But I don't use all of it. What I do is I use all of this and I mix it with 2 caps of this color. And then a little tiny bit of this, like a little squirt, not even that much, because there's enough developer in there from the other one to cover this one, okay? This is how I do it, okay? And then when I mix it, it'll look like this. So you can already see the brown is killing, quote unquote, the red. It's muting it. It's making like a muted orange, so it's not as bright, and that's what I want for my hair, okay? Because I don't like it when it's like fluorescent orange. I don't like that tacky color. I don't. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I don't have a Q-tip. I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, I know. I plucked my eyebrows yesterday and I took so much off that I have like no hair left. I never really had a lot of hair to begin with, but this is pathetic, pretty much. Okay, so I'm gonna keep these videos down to 13 minutes or less, all right? Man, I wish I had my Q-tips here. But we make it work, right? We make it work. Yeah, we do. So the reason I do this is because whenever, you know, I fill in my eyebrows, now I have to because I pluck too much off. Whenever I do that, like in the sun or outside, you can see the red. And it's just nice because it makes it look, you know, it makes it look really natural, you know? It really does. I'm getting all kinds of messages all of a sudden now on IG, and I don't even know who these people are. But I did get a lot of emails, and not a lot, I shouldn't say a lot. It's not like, oh, they're breaking down the doors. It's not like emails, like a lot of emails, but they are asking like, oh, how do you get your hair color like that? Like, what is the... But I've posted videos on how I do my hair. Oh, that's a look. Come on, you know you like it. She's so sexy. It doesn't matter what she does. She's so sexy. What do you see in her anyway? She's amazing. You don't need to worry about it, bitches. I am Frida Kahlo. All right, wait. Oh, maybe I'm Frida Kahlo. Maybe I'm not Frida Kahlo. You know who I am? It's like, no more wire hangers. It's perfect. It's perfect. But you can see the brown in it. It's not at all like the color of the box because of the brown that I put in it. If I had not put any brown, it would be a lot brighter. But the thing is, it wouldn't really look good on my skin tone I look better with the brownish base. And this is not going to stay like this now. This is the indoor light color. If I go outside, this is going to be very, very bright. All right, so I decided not to blow dry it. I mean, to straighten it. I'm just going to leave it like this. Now, this is what I use right after I wash my hair, which is BioSilk. Just put a little bit, like a quarter size, really. And it makes your hair really super shiny, as you can see as I put it on. See? You see how shiny it got it? And then it doesn't really do anything to the curl, but I just like to scrunch it because, like I said, I have a lot of hair and I have a lot of curl. But I look so weird without makeup. I always thought I look like a white worm. I know some people don't think so. Did I not put enough there? Shit. I don't care if I miss a little bit. Crazy. We have to make it messy, but it's got to make sense. You know what I'm saying? It's got to be organized chaos. If you steal that idea from me with that name, I will go after you. So just know. Unless somebody else has it. If somebody else has it, then I'm sorry. I didn't know. I hate drinking my coffee like that. I like to enjoy it, savor it. Okay. I do like it like this. Look, it looks... Yes, I am a loony bird. Okay, all right. Yeah, I'm not liking my hair right now because it's one length. It's got no shape. It's just one stupid length. And this, I'm gonna have to trim it. I'm not gonna do it now, although I'm very, very tempted. What is she doing? Because I see a pair of scissors and I'm getting ready to do it, but no, okay, I won't do it. I won't do it yet. I'll wait until it's better. But all you got to do is go upside down and then just trim like about 2 inches, but I don't want to do that right now. So let me just do this. I wonder if I should use this or if I should just, ooh, ho, look at that. All right, not really. Hello, my name is Ivanka with red hair. Hold on. Doesn't it remind you of Ivanka? Why, God? Why? What is wrong with my brain sometimes? Ooh, that looks like a perfect little thing there. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Yeah, I know. They keep knocking on my door. I just can't stand it. I can't keep them away. Knock, knock. Who's there? Oh, it's him again. I'm just joking. Okay, wait. Oh my God. If he was here, we could make like one of those Big Brother things and people would be following us around. We can make a million views a night. Everybody be watching us. Really? Ah. But it's addicting. I can't stop watching. He's cute. She's cute. Look it. Yeah. That's it. Don't stop. Wait. My hands are itchy. What does that mean? Money's coming my way. I'm a magnet. I attract it. That's right. I'm a magnet to everything that's good, that I want. I attract everything that I want. I attract love. I attract money. I attract good luck, happiness, health. I'm going to put some of this on. Even though I already have lipstick, I'm going to put some of that. Oh my gosh, she's making me nuts, I swear. Just a little bit. You know why? Because it's got a really nice flavor. The bubble gum. I just feel like something's missing. Do you see it? Do you see it too? That's what it was. It was the color of my lips. I guess maybe gloss is not that good. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know, whatever. And this right here, let me tell you about this. I made this perfume. I'm going to do another video to show you how I made it. Oh, it smells so freaking good. I'm not even making it up, man. It's delicious. Oh, it's like heaven. It's oil though. That's the only thing, but I put alcohol in it. They say to put vodka, but I don't have vodka. So, but they say you can use vodka instead because it doesn't have that alcohol-y smell like rubbing alcohol does. So it takes away. But I did put alcohol, regular rubbing alcohol in here, 70%, and I put just a tiny little bit and it made all the difference. Problem is it doesn't last as long as I want it to last. So I asked ChatGPT and it said to add castor oil or vitamin E. So I haven't done that yet. I don't have a lot of room, but I'm going to. But I'll let you know the ingredients for that. I wish you could smell it. It's so good. All right. So anyway, that's it. Thank you very much for visiting. Now you see my hair and the color is amazing. And when I go outside, it's super bright and gorgeous. And I have a lot of compliments. I get a lot of compliments for my hair color, but now you know how to do it. I call it the row. So you can share this and like it and tell your friends to watch it and say, look at this girl. She gave away her secret on her beautiful red hair color. She's amazing. I love her, and I'm going to follow her to support her because she's got so many other secrets that she wants to share, and she won't share them if we don't subscribe. So, all right. So that's it. That's all I have to say. I will definitely be cutting this. It's an hour long. I might not be able to trim it to 13 minutes is what I'm saying, but I'm going to try. Okay. All right. Well, talk to you soon. Thank you. Smash that like button for me. Subscribe, comment, leave your comments, like it if you liked it. It's going to take you 2 seconds of your time. Come on now. You can do that. I'll talk to you soon. And what do we say for MouthyFox? We say ciao. Wow.